A fan needs a 7 cubic meters garbage compactor with strong horsepower. Meet the Dongfeng Duolika 3,360 wheelbase, 700 steel tires, 7 cubic meters capacity, 160 HP Yone engine, China VI emission, WLY 6-speed gearbox, air brake, cab 1-key control. Full Westbury hydraulic system, high-quality Wugang steel, robot welding, laser cutting, manual, remote and intelligent control, double-sided compression, higher compression ratio. Thar rear structures optional. For a 7 cubic meters compactor, choose Dongfeng Duolika.